So we are still very much in limbo as to whether or not the schoolboy football season will continue. We hear it talk that if the Da Costa Cup competition cannot resume, then the Money Cup should not resume either. My declared bias is that if the schools and the schoolboy footballers want to play, then a way should be found to complete the season. It's not like they are in the first round. The season is well advanced. Change the format, truncate the season, make it a 1 or 2 day tournament if needs be. No school or individuals should be forced to play. But as long as there are teams that are willing and able to play, let them play. It would indeed be additional cruelty if, along with all the other disastrous things that have happened, if the students want to engage in this potentially therapeutic exercise and they are not allowed to. So by all means, let them play.